So guys, recently I have posted a camera review of this Xiaomi Mi A3 on the channel, and you guys are saying that I should install a Google camera and try it out. So that's why I have give it a shot. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir, and in this video I'm going to talk about Google camera mod and Mi A3. Let's begin. So guys, before starting this video, I would like to tell you that I have did a full camera review of this phone with the stock camera app. So if you wanna see that, I will leave a card. You can go ahead and check that out. With that said, let me quickly clear out those specs. So as you know, on the back it has 48 megapixel primary sensor, that is the IMX586 sensor, and it has a aperture of f1.8 and it has 8 megapixel wide angle lens which can't be used in the Google camera, so we will not talk about that in this video. And then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor, and on the front it has 32 megapixel front facing camera. The aperture is f2.0. With that said, let's begin. So this is a daylight sample guys. As you see, there is a little bit difference that I am noticing right here. As you see, the details are better and the dynamic range is little bit better, but sometimes I feel that the dynamic range of the stock camera is better than the Google camera app. So yeah, and as you see, sometimes the HDR messed up in MI's stock camera. I don't know what kind of problem it is, but then moving to the close-up shot, as you see guys, the colors, there is not a lot of difference. As you see, these are some of the picture, and this is a zoom in shot, and as you see the details, the Google camera give you much better details as compared to the stock cameras. And talking about the portrait mode, here I have to say guys, the Google camera gives you very good portrait, no doubt, but in the stock camera, edges, the background blur is pretty amazing as compared to the Google camera. Even though the skin tones are much better in the Google camera, but Google camera crops the photos, that's very bad too. Now moving to the indoor lighting situation guys, here's a clear winner. The Google camera wins here. I mean, the Google camera gives you a little bit darker image, but the dynamic range increases a lot, as you see, and sometimes it is very difficult to focus in the low lighting and in the indoor lighting situation, and Mi camera will give you the blurry images like this, as you see. And moving to the low lighting situation, here's a clear winner guys. Mi camera is not at all comparable to Google camera when you take a pictures in the low lighting situation. As you see over here, the Google camera wins by a big margin, and in the low lighting situation the focusing issue persists and it is very bad. In the low light you cannot able to properly focus on the subject, but with the Google camera you can basically focus on the subject. And then we have the night mode. In Mi camera you have night mode, in the Google camera you have night sight, and as you see, sometimes the Google camera does not give you proper focused or proper sharp image because it has to be very still, but my hands are not that still, so I got some blurry images. But when I put it on the table or something like that, when I make it stable, so guys, the night sight is far better than the night mode image. So in terms of the low lighting situation, I have to say the Google camera is far better. Even in the normal mode guys, as you see, the details are much better, especially in the low lighting situation. The noise level are very less. Now moving to the front facing camera, when you talk about the photos, as you see, both the photos are pretty fantastic. The details are very good, but I like the skin tones of the Google camera. As you see, it gives you very natural skin tones, but in the Mi camera the skin tones feels little bit pale in color. I don't know what kind of processing Xiaomi is doing right here, but the Google camera give you better skin tones. And talking about the portrait, here I have to say the Google camera is better in terms of the portrait department from the front facing camera, but it obviously gonna crop in, so that's you have to consider in the picture. As you see, Mi camera does not have night mode for the front facing camera, but Google camera have it. I mean, it's not that good, but yeah, it's unusable. So this is my result guys, and as you see, these are some of the videos which I have took. You guys see the result and judge it and let me know in the comment section below which one is better in terms of the video department. I feel that both the devices are good enough, but when it comes to front facing camera in the video department, I feel the Google camera give you little bit better result in terms of the dynamic range and all. So yeah, please feel free to leave your opinion in the comment section below, so we will do a discussion about it. Download links and all the necessary links in the description box below. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this phone or who are looking to install Google camera, who want to know about the Google camera, so you can share this video. It will be very helpful to him. And guys, if you love my content, please hit that subscribe button with the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.